Alright, so part 2 tayo na ating dinidiscuss kagabi sa Binili Orani, yung how how do Frutas Holdings manage to compete and, you know, paano siya nakasurvive. So, we get the article from Entrepreneur Philippines. So, we're just sharing para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. Okay, so number 4, sabi ni Sir, yan, know how to get ahead of the competition. Yung tanda natin na ang negosyo ay, you know, may competition yan. So, kahit na mula doon sa maliliit na mga items, di ba? Kahit services nga di ba? So, ang laki ng area kasi. So, lahat talaga, we're trying to get the market and may competition. So, ang strategy ni Sir ay creating a marketing strategy that can help you achieve your specific purpose and goals in business. So, marketing strategy talaga. It's all about marketing. It's all about trying to, you know, promote and let the people know about your products, di ba? Kaya kailangan mo ng social media marketing di ba? Kaya kailangan mo ng platform. Kaya kailangan mo ng, you have to choose kung anong social media ang gagamitin mo for your business. Okay? That's what my team is doing now. So, we're helping businesses to, you know, to create their own social media. So, we can help you to create a platform for your business. Diba? So, kailangan meron tayo isang platform that is promoting our business. Una-una, matipid lang social media. Diba? So, ang expenses mo lang, initial lang. Like, if you are going to make a marketing video, diba? So, yun lang ang expenses mo. Then, run na sa iyong platform. You can choose YouTube, you can choose IG, FB page, so your FB account itself, it can be your platform, di ba? So, basta mahalaga, you are marketing your products or your services. Si lahat na ng tao nasa social media na, di ba? Pagising siya, cellphone, pagising, YouTube, di ba? So, yan yung isa sa mga secrets, right, in expanding your business. Like in my case, you know, yung expand talaga ng GDS corporate training natin, coaching natin, yan, business natin yan, yung ating mga iba pang mga businesses ay may YouTube channel. And it's a platform na malaki na itulong sa atin. So, we can help you, my team can help you. So, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, website, FB page, so kaya pwede ka namin tulungan, or if you want to make your own marketing video, we can help you. Tawagan mo lang ako, 0939-525-4311. Alright, so, yan. The next business tip is know how to add value to your customer. So, adding value to the customer, to add value to your product so that there will be customer satisfaction. Sabi ni Sir dito ay, you should know what their needs are. So, ano ba yung needs ng market mo? Kaya napakahalaga, you go back to basic, go back to square one, go back to number 1. That is, sino yung market mo? Okay? Sino yung market mo? Ano yung, pag nalaman mo na sino market mo, it can easily be identified kung ano yung needs nila. Ano ba yung needs ng market mo? Diba? So, mahirap kasi, you are trying to identify the needs of your market nang hindi mo naman alam sino talaga yung market mo. So, kung at this point in time, nag-start ka ng business, ongoing ng business mo, pero hindi mo pa rin alam kung sino yung market mo. So, you sit down, we can help you to identify your target market, kasi dapat may target market ka talaga. Doon nag-expand yan, pero at least the initial, alam mo kung sino, and so that you can provide additional value to your products to satisfy their needs. Sabi ko nga, when you appear in the marketplace, dapat ang tingin sa'yo ng marketplace, ng iyong target market ay you are a solution. So, dapat solution ang appear mo. Hindi ka pwede mag-arrive ng hindi solution. You should be a solution to them. Okay? Alright, so ayan yung mga shares sa atin. Let's see kung meron pa. Okay? Know your value. Okay. So, I think okay na yan. So, that's the right. So, lessons every entrepreneur can learn from the founder of Frutas Holdings, Sir Lester Yu. Yeah. So, number 1, know how to find the right market. Number 2, know how to persist and find solutions. Number 3, know how to grow your business for the long term. And know how to get ahead of the competition. And know how to add value to your customers. Yan. So, Pwede nating i-apply yan sa yung business. Kung wala pang business at may mga ideas ka naman, so hindi mo lang paano simulan, my team can help you. Tawagan mo lang po kami. Message mo ako sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Dizonga. Alright? So, salamat, sir, at Entrepreneur Philippines. I shared your article. Alright, so, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin. Kahit, by the way, mag-subscribe kayo dito. Alam nyo, when I was just starting my GDS corporate training, I can change project pa siya noon. May blog, my website, I can change for livesuccess.com. Ito talaga nakaka-inspire sa akin. Very informative, very namumove ka talaga to do better every day. Alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago at umunlad natin buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.